Hello students, now we will continue this topic permutation and combinations. So I think you enjoy the part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we will do the combination. Combinations means the meaning is the simple word the selection. We have to do the selection. Here order of the elements objects it is not necessary. Okay, only you have to do the selection. Okay, so look here, the number of combinations of n different things taken r at a time. From n we have to take r at a time and we have to do the selection. So the number of the selections will be, look here, we will write by ncr, and ncr we write here factorial n upon factorial n minus r and factorial r. This type we can find out the number of combinations of n different things taken r at a time. All of understand this? Now look here, the number of combinations of n different things taken all at a time is 1. If we take all the things, means if we 5 things are given and 5 different things are given and you have to take all the 5 different things, then the number of selection will be only 1. Okay, is how we can do this. N equal to factorial n upon factorial n minus n and factorial n, and factorial 0 we have always 1, so this will be equal to factorial 0, and this n and factorial n cancel, we get only 1. So and look at the same as it is, we have one more case is here, that the number of combination of n different things taken none at a time is 1. If we not take any things, then the number of combination will be also 1. So nc 0 will be means factorial n upon factorial n minus 0 and factorial 0, this is 1. All of you understand this is the combination. Look here, if anyone say that look here, this is a formula nc n minus r. nc n minus r will be also equal to ncr. How it is equal? Look here, this if we open by the formula, ncr formula is factorial n upon factorial n minus r and r. Here place of r we have n minus r, so we write n minus bracket n minus r and factorial n minus r. So look here, this when we open this bracket, this n will cancel and r we get only, means we get this type of factorial n upon factorial r and factorial n minus r. Now you can see both sides are equal, so factorial nc n minus r and factorial nc r both is equal. Now we have to calculate nc3. nc3 we will calculate by the formula, then factorial n upon factorial n minus 3 and factorial 3 we have. This factorial n we will open up to n minus 3. How we can open? Look here, n minus 1, n minus 2, factorial n minus 3, and this will cancel and we have factorial 3 is 3 into 2 into 1. Look here, this direct also you can write. This nc3 means direct you can write n in decreasing order 3 times, means n minus 1, n minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 3 place you write, and 3 also you write 3, 2 and 1. All of you understand this? Now look at this, ncr is equal to npr and factorial r. P for permutation, this already we done this formula, and look at npr we know already, this factorial n upon factorial n minus r, and this is r. So this is formula for this ncr we have. Look at ncr equal to npr upon factorial r. npr we know already, factorial n upon factorial n minus r, and this r extra, so ncr equal to this. Okay, all of you understand this? Look here, one question is find n if nc5 equal to nc7. So look here how to find this n. All of you look here, here is the first method is nc, look here, ncr we can write here ncr we can write ncn minus r. By this formula we will put here this nc5 we can write ncn minus 5, and this nc7 as it is we can write. Now we will compare. So n minus 5 equal to 7 means we can get n equal to 12. This is a simple method, direct method. Otherwise we will use this formula and we can do, so this is the NC5, we can write factorial n upon factorial n minus 5 and factorial 5, and NC7 we can write factorial n upon factorial n minus 7 and factorial 7. This n and factorial n we can cancel, this is 1. Now remaining, look at n minus 5 we can open up to n minus 7, so n minus 5, n minus 6 and factorial n minus 7, which factorial 5 we put as it is. Right hand side 1 upon factorial n minus 7 as it is we write, and factorial 7 we will open, that is 7 into 6 factorial 5. Now we can cancel the factorial 5, factorial 5 we can cancel, and factorial n minus 7, factorial n minus 7 we can cancel. Now remaining we cross multiply, we get here n minus 5 into n minus 6 equal to 1 into 6 we get. Now we can compare, n minus 5 will be equal to 7 and n minus 6 equal to 6, we can write n equal to 12. So look here, this method also we find the n equal to 12. Look here, you think this is a n equal to 12 is a simple method, you can do this method. Look here, we have to evaluate these three questions, 12C5 and 10C4 and 10C7 plus 10C6. Look here, first question we do here, 12C5 we can write here 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8. Look here, 1 2 3 4 5 times you write in decreasing order, and this 5 we can write 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, 4 to the 8 we can cancel this 8, 3 and 3 the 9 we can cancel these, and 5 to the 10 we can cancel these. Now we multiply these 3, we will get here, we get here 792 we get. Okay, now same as it is, the second question is 10C4, and 10C4 we can write 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 upon 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and we can cancel 4 to the 8 we can cancel, 3 3 the 9 and 7 3 the 21 and multiply by 10, 210. So we get here 210. Look at this third question we have to do. First 10C7 plus 10C6. Look at this, we know formula, we know that. Look at, if we have the difference is less, NCR equal to NCN minus R. When we use this formula, when the here we use the difference, so if the difference is less we will use this formula. 10C7 we can write 10C10 minus 7. Okay, here also you can write 10 minus 6, so this will be 10C, we get here 3, and here we get 10C4. So now we can write 10C3 we can write 10 into 9 into 8 upon 3, we can write 3 into 2 into 1, and here also we write 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 upon 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now we can cancel 3 and this 9 we can cancel, 3 3 the 9, 2 and this we cancel, 4 4 3 the 12 means we get here 120, and this 4 to the 8 we can cancel 8, 3 and this 9 we can cancel, 3 3 7 210, and we will add these, we will get here 330. All of you understand this? So this is a very simple questions we have done. All of you understand these? Here if NC8 equal to NC2, you have to find NC2. How we can do? Look here, look at this, we can write here NC8 equal to NC2. This is given to us, we know that we can write here NCR equal to NCN minus R. So we will use here, we can write here NCN minus 8 equal to NC2. Now we will compare both sides. When you compare this, n equals cc equal n minus 8 equal to 2. So this will implies n equal to 8 plus 2 is 10. So n equal to 10 we get. Now we have to find NC2. NC2 means place of n we write 10. 10C2 means 10C2 10 into 9 upon 2 into 1 so 10 and 9 5 ja 45, we get here 45. NC3 ratio NC2 equal to 12 ratio 1. This we write first in a fraction 2NC3 upon NC2, and this is equal to 12 upon 1. This implies 2NC3 we write 2n in decreasing order 3 times, so we can write 2n minus 1 and 2n minus 2. upon 3 into 2 into 1 upon NC2 we can write n minus 1 upon 2 into 1 and 12 ratio 1. Look here we can cancel n and n cancel, 2 and 2 cancel, remaining we write here this is 2 as it is, we write 2n minus 1 and here is 2n minus 2, it can take common 2, so remaining is n minus 1. In denominator here is 3, so we can write 3 n minus 1 n minus we can write, and ratio is 12 ratio 1. Look at this, n minus 1 n minus we can cancel, and here is 2 to the 4. This implies 4 2n minus 1 upon 3 equal to we get here 12. So we can write here 4 and 4 3 ja 12. So 2n minus 1 equal to 3 3 ja 9. So we can write here 2n equal to 9 plus 1 10. So we get here n equal to 5. So this answer is n equal to 5 we get. All of you understand this? This is a very simple question. Look here, one question is how many chords can be drawn through 21 points on a circle. Look here, if we have a circle and on a circle we have total 21 points, and for the chord we want only 2 points, so look here, number of chords equal to, we have 21 if n is given, and from that if we select r only, so here 21 are given and from that we have to select only 2 points we have to take. So we will get here 21c2. 21c2 means 21 into 20 upon 2 into 1. We can cancel, we will get here 210. So 210 chords we can draw using these 21 points.